So welcome to DF Education Portal. So previously we discussed about the nomenclature of alkanes with two branches or more than one branches, right? So now we will discuss how can we convert the IUPAC nomenclature into this structure. We have already given the IUPAC name for this particular hydrocarbon. We want to give the structure for this particular hydrocarbon. Okay. So the first one is, let's take this as the first example. 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane. Right. So this will be the position of branch. This will be the name of the branch. This will be the word root, and this will be the suffix. Okay, so from name we are writing these given details. Okay, so the position of branch is 2. Name of branch is methyl. Methyl means CH3, right? And the word root is pent. Pent means how many carbon atoms? Meth, eth, prop, but, pent. C5. 5 carbon atoms must be there. Then the suffix is AN, right? Suffix is AN. So how can we draw the structure? So the word root will have 5 carbon atoms. So we want to draw the 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the long chain hydrocarbon. Okay. So from this one, we want to draw the branch. The branch position is 2. Okay. So we are taking the number like from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So on the second carbon atom we have one branch. Name of the branch is what? Methyl group. Methyl group means CH3. So we are writing it as CH3. And this hydrocarbon is single bond having hydrocarbon. That's why the suffix is ANE, right? Suffix is ANE. Okay. So we have put already single bond in between each carbon atom. So we want to give the saturation for each carbon atom. So CH3, already one bond is here. So for this carbon atom, two valencies are balanced. So we want to put only one hydrogen atom because this is also saturation. 1, 2, 3 bonds are already completed. So we want to put only single hydrogen atom to satisfy the valency over here. Here 2 bonds are already present. So 2 more. Here also 2 more and CH3. Okay. So what will be the structure? CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. So the long chain is having 5 carbon atom. And the position of branch is at the second carbon atom, and the name of the branch is methyl, therefore only single carbon atom, CH3 group. Okay, and this whole hydrocarbon is only having single bond, therefore suffix is ANE. So for this particular IUPAC name, the structure of the hydrocarbon must be like this. Okay, so I am rubbing this one if you are noted this. Okay. And the next example is 3,3-diethyl hexane. 3,3-diethyl hexane. 3,3-diethyl hexane. Okay. So this will be the position of branch, and this is the number of similar branch, and the branch name must be ethyl. This will be the word root, and this is the suffix. Okay. So the position of branch is 3 and 3. Okay. And the name of branch is ethyl. Ethyl means CH2 CH3. CH2 CH3, right? And the number of ethyl branch is 2, therefore di. Number of Ethyl branch is 2. Therefore, we are putting di, right? And the word root is hex. That means 6 carbon atoms. C6, right? Meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex. Okay. And the suffix here is ane. Therefore, single bond. Only single bond. Okay. So how can we draw the structure? So first of all, we want to draw the long chain having hydrocarbon, that is 6 carbon atom having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. And the third position is having branches, right? Third position is having 2 branches. 2 branches are present and the branch name is ethyl, and this ethyl group is present at the third carbon atom. Okay, third carbon atom. 2 branches are present and these 2 branches are present at the same carbon. 1, 2, 3. Third carbon we have 2 branches and the branch name is what? Ethyl. Ethyl means CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, and this whole hydrocarbon is having single bond. That's why we have given this Ane as the suffix. Okay, so how can we saturate this hydrocarbon atom? CH3, CH2. Here carbon atoms valency is already completed, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there is no need to put a hydrogen atom. Okay, here CH2, CH2 and CH3. So this is the structure of this particular hydrocarbon. 3,3 diethyl hexane. 3,3 diethyl. 2 ethyl groups are present at the third carbon atom and the number is numbering. Now if we are writing the structure, we are giving this numbering like this because we already know from where we are numbering, because then only we can count the position of branch, right? So this is the structure of this particular hydrocarbon. If you are not with this one.